What do you think of the hairline? What do you think of how has it changed things for you?
Really great. I like the location of the hairline. It looks very natural. It's imperceptible. It's really it's great.
This is John from Vancouver. He's 40 years old and he had a strip transplant 6 months ago. He's come back for a follow-up visit. It was a strip transplant and I'm going to show you the pre-ops. You can see here the Norwood4 pattern of balding up to the mid-forehead. So this is what John looks like. We're going to focus at the forehead and the hairline. This is after 6 months. Turn to your right, please. You can see the hairline is very natural and it's of a good density. Turn. Head down, please. And you can see this is the transplanted hair and it merges in with the natural hair here. So transplanted hair, and it merges in with the natural hair. Turn around, please. You can see that the strip has healed extremely well. The scar is really quite minuscule or minimal. Once again, looking at the forehead, it's a natural hairline at 6 months with a good density and very good coverage of the front of the scalp. So what do you think?
I'm very happy with the results. The first 3 months were a little difficult, waiting for things to happen, but it soon started to grow in, and right now I'm about halfway through the process, so looking forward to even 50% more density.
What do you think of the hairline? What do you think of how has this changed things for you?
Really great. I like the location of the hairline. It looks very natural. It's imperceptible. It's really it's great just to not have to worry about further hair loss, and this is sort of a permanent solution, so very happy with the decision.
Have you had comments from anybody?
Yes, it's people don't really know exactly what is taking place, but they definitely notice that my hair looks really great.
And when you look back, would you recommend this such a procedure to somebody else in a situation such as yours?
Yes, absolutely. I think I put it off for probably many years. If you're experiencing sorts of problems with hair loss, then I recommend you just make the decision and take action.
What was the experience of the clinic, the doctor and the staff?
Very good experience. Everyone was very nice, very good follow-up care, and very happy with the results.